nailed it, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are going to be doing, let me move the camera just a hair. We are going to be doing an Easter design, and I'm using stencil number 7. And these here remind me of an Easter egg design, so that's what we're going to do. I've already been playing without you. Lay that there. I have got these 3 nails already done. These 2 are using, let me see. We pop them in the lamp just a minute so I can tell. Okay. This nail and this nail is using the glow in the dark. This one is using hollow. So that's what we're going to be doing, is using the hollows. I have got 5 out. I'm using the white, clear white to fill in. This is the hollow. We have got pink fuchsia, royal purple, which is my fave, orange hollow. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. And green lime. Hello. Hello, Erica. She is my girl. She is the daughter of Nail Crazy Mama. And I just love her to pieces. She is just the cutest little thing. Check out Nail Crazy Mama. She is having a giveaway. So is Viola Brown, Nail Cover Lover, Boo Boo's Glitter Glory, myself. Let's see, there's Boo Boo's Glitter Glory, Viola Brown, myself, Nail Crazy Mama, and I know there's others that I'm forgetting. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Impressions by Angie on Instagram. The other ones are YouTube, but Angie is Instagram. I place the stencil down, I press it down in the middle, and then go to the sides and just roll my finger. So we are going to be taking the 4 colors I mentioned. The white is a filler. So I'm just going to fill these in. You can do this in any which way you want. Let me make sure my sides are covered. Make sure you take your glitter side to side. We're going to take our orange. I'm going to put a little orange up here. And I'm just going to roll. I'm going to press it down into the glue. This is the only time you're going to see me using my brush to brush it off. Normally I stick it back in the lamp and let it adhere better into the glue, which I'm not doing this time because I'm using a stencil. So we're going to peel this off ever so slowly. I forgot to mention this. Where is it? Use the stencil glue. That is what I am holding the stencil on with. I am not using gel glue. I'm using the stencil. Here's where the white comes in at, the clear white. I'm going to tap this all over the whole nail. Cover in the extra spots. Get your sidewalls. Tap, tap, tap. And this is where we use it and burnish it in to get all the nooks and crannies. Again, I'm going to brush, brush, brush. Here's our Easter egg nail. Can you see the hollow? Hollow, baby. I know Erica is saying it with me. She loves hollow. So I'm going to put that one there. We will top coat those at the end. It stuck to me. So I'm just going to take my hand, wipe off the stencil, You should clean with isopropyl alcohol. There we go. Oh, I got itchy. I got an itchy. Okay, here we go. I'm going to tap this green here at the bottom. It's just a tad little bit. Whoopsie. Gonna go in with our pink fuchsia. Our orange holo. Holo. Go in with our royal purple. And we're going to repeat. Gonna get the green. Oh, watch out, some of these are free pouring. Definitely some free pouring glitters here. So be careful, whoopsie. Whoopsie. Be careful when you're tapping. Some of you don't need to tap. You can just turn it over and they will free pour. So once again, I'm pressing this down into the glue. Wipe with the brush. And I think these turned out beautiful. And I will clean this properly off camera. Need my white. Tap. Make sure you get your sidewalls covered with all the glitter, not just the white. You want to make sure your colored is in there. British it in. You could do this. There's my brush. And here we go. Here's our crazy looking Easter eggs. I'm gonna tap this off to the side here in the trash. Can't save it, so you gotta get rid of it. I'm gonna pause, clean up my mess, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back here at stencil number 7, cleaning it back in its pouch. Here are our finished nails. We have to top coat the 2. The other 3 have already been done. I am using Beetles Top It Off and no white top coat. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. You don't want to miss any giveaways or any of my uploads. It could be something you really wanted to see, and if you don't click all, then you're not going to see it. So make sure you click all. If you are another YouTuber, please let me know so I can subscribe back to you. Make sure you cover sidewall to sidewall, cuticle to tip. That way your nail is fully covered. We're going to pop these in the lamp. Give them a 60-second full cure. And we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. I wanted to show the stencil and the stencil glue one more time. Bring them up closer. Okay. And our finished manicure. I'm not adding any decals because there aren't any for Easter with SheModern. There is an egg bonnet, which I have used before, so I didn't use it this year. These 3 nails turned out really nice. Could have done these 2 over, but then it wouldn't have been a true, What's the word I'm looking for? True trial and error, I guess. But I think they turned out really super cute. You can see the hollow. I love how they turned out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What would you have done differently? Would you keep them the same? Would you add something different? Maybe painted a white nail first, which is what I probably should have done. Oh well, food for thought for next time. Leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. So please always give a thumbs up on the videos. Well, have yourselves a blessed day. We will see you next time, and thank you.